Look, boys, style's subjective. I'm gonna be honest with you. And there's so many different styles. You got dapper and business casual and streetwear and techwear. Yo, the list goes on and on and on and on. And each category has like its rules kind of that you should stick to if you want to look good with that aesthetic. However, there are certain style rules that just supersede all those style aesthetics and categories. Think of these like the law of the land. Everybody has to abide by these rules. Every guy that cares about how they look, no matter what style you have, needs to follow these style rules. Let's hop into it. Number one, always do your hair. This one's important. See, most guys don't understand that part of your style, it's your hairstyle, how you're styling your hair. And bedhead, it's just never acceptable. If you have a literal cowlick in the back of your head because you didn't do your hair that morning, it doesn't matter how expensive, how nicely put together, how good you combine outfits, you look out of whack. You look like you didn't even put out effort. So, part of your style is taking care of your grooming, and doing your hair is a must. Number two, your pants, they sit on your waist every single time. See, either way you go, if they sit lower, you look like a child, you look like immature. If they sit too high, you look like your granddad. In other words, neither or are ever gonna turn that girl you like on. What you're basically looking for are pants that sit right at the hip bone. That's where your pants should naturally sit. And pants should fit so well, whether you want that classic cut, whether you're looking for a skinny cut or a tailored cut, it doesn't matter. The waist, this is a rule every guy should follow. The waist should fit so good that the pants sit on your waist without the need of having to wear a belt. When you have that, you have the proper fit. Number three, your neckline should always be tight. See, whether it's a dress shirt, a button-up, a hoodie, or a crew neck like this, a sweater, a t-shirt, you always want this neckline to be nice and tight, to hug the neck. Again, it doesn't matter if it's an oversized fit or a fitted fit. The neckline, it's that one area every man needs to follow. If the neckline's too wide, it no longer has that perfect oversized fit, and instead it looks more like a borrowed fit, like from your older brother. For example, our new heavyweight t-shirt that we're dropping for Essentials tomorrow, which actually, pro members are going hard. Yeah, like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. They are going hard. Pro members always go hard, but today's a special occasion, boys. This is insane. See, every time we launch, we range about anywhere from 700,000 to 1 million people to hit the site between today and launch day. We're probably gonna break that goal. And the truth be told, I warned you. And the truth is, we're spending so much on marketing that a lot of new customers are coming in, but my focus really is you guys. I want you guys to get first dibs on everything. I want to make sure you guys look good in your personal lives before anybody else hops in there. This is why I'm telling you, look, today pro members are already scavenging this stuff, but I want you to be there early, tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, August 28th. Yo, put a reminder on your phone. Wake up 10 minutes early. Be ready on this site, because I'm telling you, these sizes and styles are flying, and I don't want you to miss it. This heavyweight t-shirt, this is a great example. See, every time I design stuff, all the tips that I give you, I focus it and I zero it in into every single piece. This heavyweight tee is a boxy fit, so it is that overweight design. However, on the neck, I made sure it was thick and it was tight around the neck. Notice how beautifully this sits. So now you have a high quality looking t-shirt that, because the neck is so thick and strong, it'll never bake in or look overstretched or cheap. And instead, it's always gonna look like a premium piece of fabric. And not to mention, it's heavy weight. So the ounces on this t-shirt, 14. Just to give you a perspective, your average t-shirt will be anywhere from 3 to 5 ounces. Ours is 14 ounces of pure cotton. I don't know, I mean, most of you probably won't know this, but that's expensive. That's a natural fiber that we're making 4 times denser than a regular t-shirt, which is why most brands don't do this, because the fabric itself is so expensive, but that's gonna make sure that it's sturdy fabric that lasts you a long time. And that's exactly what we wanted. This new heavyweight collection, boys, it is the hardest hitting collection we've ever done, inspired from the colors that we see in Iceland, that desaturated color palette. Yo, if you're not buying something this collection, like, I feel for you boys, because this is going to go hard. Not to mention, we're also giving away 5 brand new MacBook Pros and 2 iPhones for a back to school giveaway. So if you buy anything from our bundles page, even one bundle, which is already 20% discounted because you're buying a bundle, you're automatically entered for the giveaway. So not only are you gonna look good for back to school and fall and winter, yo, you're gonna kill it too. Boys, put a reminder. I'm telling you, this stuff tomorrow, it's gonna fly. Number 4, your glasses need to be wide enough to fit your face. Again, see, this rule, I don't care if you're into hype beast, style, dapper style, it doesn't matter. This rule applies to everybody because it's the way glasses fit on your face, no matter the design. The one size that needs to make sure it fits is the width. See, what you need to do is grab a tape measure, this is easy, and I want you to measure from temple to temple, the width of your head. Then you can go to any site online, any glasses, scroll down, and you're looking for 3 numbers. That first number is the lens width. You're gonna grab that number and multiply by 2. The second number is the bridge width, which is the middle, that little bridge between both lenses. You're gonna add that number at the end, and that's gonna give you the total length of the frame. Now, you wanna grab that length and make sure it matches the width of your temples. If it does, you have glasses that fit right. If it doesn't, you're just gonna end up with tiny glasses, and my dude, you're gonna look like the Matrix. Number 5, if a garment's ever pulling, it's too tight for you, bro. See, this is a great test for everybody. And again, I don't care if you like fitted clothing or whatever. At the end of the day, if it's pulling from key areas like your chest, your back, your waist, your butt, or your thighs, you need to size up. You need to be real with yourself. You need to understand, like, yo, hey, look, you gain weight and you got 2 options. Either A, you hit the gym, or B, you size up. Number 6, never wear wrinkled clothes. See, again, I don't care if you got designer pieces or affordable pieces from Walmart. As soon as you put on something that's wrinkled, you've ruined everything. You already look like you didn't even try, especially if it's a casual outfit. If it's a casual outfit and it's wrinkled, you're just gonna further push the narrative of everybody that sees you as if you just rolled out of bed and put 0 effort in that morning, and automatically, people will judge you for that. And finally, number 7, boys, never wear anything fake, especially jewelry. There is nothing tackier than wearing a fake iced out chain that's really made out of plastic and bedazzled jewels. It just cheapens your outfit, and to everybody else, it lowers your standard of mind, like who are you really trying to impress and or fool? Jewelry is a powerful tool, and I push it so much to you guys because it's good, it makes you look good, and it doesn't need to be expensive. You can get affordable stuff like stainless steel that'll cost you 30 to 40 bucks that makes you look good, but doesn't push a false narrative that is meant to impress others, because when people actually realize that it's fake, it just cheapens the fit, bro. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget tomorrow, our launch for Essentials happens. I don't want you to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.